So I have 5 cats at home right now, 4 of my own and 1 of my sister's because she's staying over for the summer. Today I'm going to be doing my own reset routine as well as my cat's reset routine because there's so many things I have to get done that I've been pushing off just because I'm so busy with my internship and with my projects. Let me introduce you to my 5 cats. The first one is Laufey. She is my first ever cat, so she's the OG in this household. She loves to be around you and be in your business, but she has clear boundaries with us and with the cats. But truly, she's such a kind soul, will never ever bite me or scratch me no matter what. She had 2 litters and we kept the entire first litter. The second cat is my sister's cat and his name is Flucky, or as we like to call him, Minouche. He's very quiet but loves attention. He reminds me of a golden retriever because whenever we take him on a walk, he would greet every single person that passes next to us.
Don't you see what I want? Are you looking for something I can change? Oh yeah. Hold up girl, what's your plan? I've never been one to bring up receipts yet.
Then we have Junior. We called her Junior because she looks just like her mom. She has this mark on her forehead. If I had one word to describe her, it would be weird. She's super kind, funny, but she's just weird in her mannerisms. She talks weird, she sits weird, and overall, I think she only has 1 brain cell, but she's so funny.
Good job! Good job, my love. Good job. This is Fatty. My little Fatty, even though she's so pretty.
Then we have Fatty. We named her Fatty because first of all, we didn't think we would be actually keeping her. But after deciding to keep all the litter, we were stuck with that name because she started to recognize that name. But we called her Fatty because she loves to steal food. If she wants to eat something, she will eat it. She will take it from the other cat's mouth. But she's such a diva. Super talkative, loves pets, loves to be picked up, loves to be next to you.
Come on. No, you can't run. We're still not done. Okay, I present to you the dad of the family. Mr. Flucky right here. Look how cute he is.
Those are the longest nails ever.
Wait, I'm not done. Be a man.
Come on. Oh. Good job, my love.
Okay, let's bring in the mom. This is the mom, the OG cat of the family. She is usually so good with nail clipping.
See how well she's doing? And it's a bit challenging. To do it because most of her nails are black, so you can't really see the vein. But I'm experienced enough with her.
What was that?
Good job.
Okay, James.
What? Did you pee? You peed, didn't you? Oh my... Fatty! Guys, she just peed. There's my little Tommy.
And finally, we have Mr. Tommy, my gentleman. This guy is so talkative, he will not be afraid to express his opinion. He loves to play, super energetic, but hates to be picked up. Every single morning, he needs to be on my bed, asking for pets, and if I don't pet him, he will bite me.
Oh, yes, who's there? Laufey? Is that you? Hi, my love. You're next. Also, it overstimulates them when you brush them, so you gotta take breaks once in a while. Okay. Now I'm gonna go in with the brush.
When we're transitioning from season to season, I like to use the horse brush on them because it reduces the shedding. However, I make sure to brush really lightly because I know it could cause some skin damage, but so far it has been working out great.
Are you okay? Are you okay, my love?
I would say I use it once to twice a month, depending on the season.
Now I'm gonna use the brush to remove the remainings. Best cat ever. You're so cute. Who's next? Fatty. Come on in. Alright, Fatty's turn. Stop eating the fur. Come here. Come here. Come. Do you like it? Do you like it? Do you like it? Also, guys, I'm not brushing her hard. Oh, she just likes to sit down like that. Like when you pet her, she always puts her back down. What are you doing? Yes? Okay. You're done. From Walmart earlier. It's the Wall Deluxe Cat Dental Kit. Okay, ooh, cute. It comes in a pouch. Hey guys, smell this. You like it? Okay, I got it. So weird. Oh, Buddy.
It's important to clean their bowls every single day, just like you would clean your own bowls, as well as keeping their eating area clean. The last thing you want is your cat getting sick from improper cleaning on your part. them this fountain and they've been drinking so much water, like crazy. So I recommend you guys buying them for your cats. This is a game changer. I have to refill it though. They drink the entire thing in one day. One cat down, 4 to go. Little baby. Are you playing with me right now? Who's this? Junior! Why are you biting me? Let go. It's gonna be your turn soon. It's gonna be... Ugh. I'm sorry, but it's your turn. It's your turn. I know. I'm sorry. It's life, you know. I just finished Junior. She peed on me. Legit, she peed on me. Guys, smell me. Look, I also showered. See? See? It's not just you guys. Fatty. Look. I also showered. Look, smell it. Smell me.
In the sky, under blue sky, sunshine, a bottle of wine. Talk about our daydreams. Hey, it seems we're crossing the line. Hey, how have you been? We're on our way to Central Park again. Lie under blue skies, sunshine, a bottle of wine. Talk about our daydreams. Hey, it seems your hands on my thighs. Wait. I don't wanna call you later. You're tearing my heart up like it's paper, and somehow you turn.
Going to a cafe at the end of my rest day is perfect. It helps me catch my breath, reconnect with myself, and enjoy something comforting. It's just like a quiet reward for showing up. There's something about the gentle hum of people around you, even if you're just sitting alone, that reminds you that you're part of something bigger. Whether you're introvert or extrovert, we're all social creatures. And being around others, even in stillness, can be grounding. It's the perfect way to end the day, with presence, peace, and a little bit of community.
I should have known from the start that you were a waste of an open bar.
It's currently 10:13 and I'm gonna be cleaning my room before going to sleep.